guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. If this is your first time here, I would like to say welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. And if you have any question, make sure you leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I get to it. The tier deal is still going on with the spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15. So be very careful if you're doing that deal. I'll be showing you guys 2 ways to use a 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT in case you have it. So let's see what deals I'll be able to find. Using a 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT, the first deal I'll be adding to the transaction will be on the Garnier Fruities. It's on sale for 2 for 8 and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. And this is a limit of 1 per card. I'll pick up 2 and I'll use a 3 off of 2 paper coupon from 2/5 savings sets. And everybody received another 3 off of 2. Both of them will double dip, leaving me to pay 2 and I'll get $2 back, making both items free if I'm doing this by itself. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Colgate toothpaste. It's on sale for 2 for $7.98 and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up 2 of the Optic Whites and I went to Colgate.com and I printed out a 75-cent coupon. Everybody received a 3 off of 2 digital coupon today that will also apply, taking off $3.75. I will end up paying $4.33 and I'll get $4 back, making both items just 23 cents or 12 cents each. Next deal I'll be adding will be on the Scope mouthwash. It's on sale for $4.99 and when you buy 1, you get $3 back and this is also a limit of 2. So I'll be maxing this deal. I'll pick up 2, both of them will come up to $9.98. Everybody received a 3 off of 2 app coupon today that will apply. By itself, I'll be paying $6.98 and I'll get $6 back because I did this twice, leaving both of them to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on the Degree Dry Spray. It's part of the buy 1 get 1 half off and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. I'll pick up 2 of the women. You can also pick up men if you want that. And it's priced at $7.79. By itself, both of them will come up to $11.69. After using the 4 off of 2 paper coupon from February Unilever, it will bring it down to $7.69. I'll pay that and I'll get $3 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta and I'll get back $1 on each one of them. The end price will now be $2.69 or $1.35 each. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be on CoverGirl. It's on buy 2, you get $6 back. I'll pick up 2 of the brow pencils priced at $5.79 each and both of them will come up to $11.58. I'll be using 2 of the $3 off coupon from 2/5 savings set and I have another $3 CRT I received in my email. All 3 of them will take off $9, leaving me to pay $2.58 and I'll get $6 back, making both items free and a $3.42 money maker. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 20, get $10 back on any Eucerin or Aquaphor. But I'll be picking up the Aquaphor Advanced Therapy 1.75 ounces, priced at $6.79 each. 3 of them will come up to $20.37, which is above the $20. I'll be using 3 of the $3 coupon from 129 savings set. That will take off $9, leaving me to pay just $11.37 and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $1.37 or 46 cents each if I'm doing this by itself. These are all the items I'll be picking up with the 10 off of 17 next purchase CRT that are printed at the end of my receipt. Let me go check out and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. These are all the items I picked up. All the coupons came off as expected. The 75 cents double dip with the 3 off of 2. And for the Garnier Fruities, it worked out fine as well. I ended up paying just $24.84 extra care box. Paid 0 out of pocket and I got back 2 for doing the Garnier Fruities, $4 for buying the Colgate toothpaste and $6 for doing the Scope twice and I got my $3 back for the Degree Dry Spray and I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I already received my $1 back on each one of them. That means I got $2 back from Ibotta. I also got back $6 for the CoverGirl and another $10 for the Aquaphor. This whole transaction ended up being free after I received my rebate and an $8.16 moneymaker. Received an 8 off of 40 next purchase CRT in my email, and I'll be adding it to my next transaction. The deal I'll be picking up with this will be on the Aveeno, the baby care deal. It's on spend 20, get $10 back, and it's on sale for buy one, get one half off. I'll pick up the Johnson Moisturizing Lotion, 16.9 flow ounces, priced at $6.99. I don't have any coupon, paper coupon or digital coupon for this, so I'll just be buying it by itself. And to get to 20, I'll be picking up 4 of the 8 ounces Aveeno baby lotion, priced at $8.79. I have a $3.50 coupon I got from coupons.com that I'll be adding to this. I got 2, it's still available. And I still have a $3.50 in my app that will double dip. All 5 items will come up to $33.36. That's way above the $20. And I'm doing this way because I also want to submit my receipt to activate reward. And when you spend $30, you get $10 back. Or when you spend $20, you get $5 back. After all the coupons apply, I will end up paying $22.86. And I'll get $10 back from spending $20 and $10 back from activate reward, making all 5 items $2.86 or 57 cents each. But remember, I will be adding this with the 8 off of 40. Let me go pick up more items to get to 40. Whole blend is on sale for 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get $2 back. So I'll be picking up 2, and I'll be using the 3 off of 2 paper coupon we got from 2 5 savings sets. Everybody received another 3 off of 2. Both of them will double dip and take off 6, leaving me to pay just $2, and I'll get $2 back, making both items free. These are all the items I'll be picking up with the 8 off of 40. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. Back with my receipt, and these are the items I picked up: 2 of the whole blend, 4 of the Aveeno lotion, and 1 Johnson & Johnson. The whole blend double dipped, and also the Aveeno double dip as well. I ended up using just $16.85 extra care box, paid 0 out of pocket, and I got back by $2 for the whole blend, and also $10 for the spend 20. And I'll be submitting my receipt to activate reward. And when I receive my $10 back, this whole transaction will be free and a $3.15 moneymaker. The next deal I'll be doing will be on the L'Oreal Elvive. It's on sale for 2 for $9, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll be using a 4 off of 2 from 2 5 savings sets and another 4 off of 2 digital coupon that we received last week. Both of them will double dip and take off 8, leaving me to pay just $1, and I'll get $4 back, making both items free and a $3 moneymaker. In the beginning of this video, I promised to show 2 ways, like 2 ideas on how to use a 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. With this L'Oreal Elvive, I'll be adding it to the next 10 off of 70. That way you can have an idea depending on what you want to pick. Let me go pick up the rest of the items to get to 70. The next deal I'll be adding to this transaction will be the spend 30 get 10 or spend 45 get 15. And this is also a tier deal. It doesn't track and it does not follow the 98% rule. I'll pick up the Downy Unstoppable 14.8 ounces, priced at $12.99, and another one priced at $6.99, the 8.6 ounces. I'll be using a $3 coupon I got from P&G website for the big one, and there is a $2 attaching to the 8.6 ounces. I'll be adding 3 of the Pantene shampoo and conditioner. They're on sale for 3 for $15, and I have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon last week, and I received another one this week. Both of them will double dip and take off $10. These are all the items I'll be picking up for my spend 30 get 10, and all 5 items came up to $34.96. That means I'll only be getting $10. Without next purchase CRT, I will pay $19.98 after all the coupons apply, and I'll get my $10 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get $5 back for buying the 14.8 ounces Downy, and another $3.50 back for buying the 8.6 ounces Downy. When all the rebates come back, this whole transaction will end up being just $1.48 for all 5 items. Next items I'll picking up is just a filler item. I'll pick up 2 of the Paparazzi nail polish, 2 for $5. I have a 3 off of 2 paparazzi CRT from last week, and I received another one this week. Both of them will come off and make both items free. I'll be adding the spend 20 get $10 back on any Eucerin or Aquaphor. I'll pick up the Advanced Therapy 1.75 ounces. I'll pick up 3 of those priced at $6.79 each. And I'll use the $3 paper coupon from 129 savings set. By itself, I will end up paying just $11.37 and I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items $1.37 or 46 cents each. These are all the items I'll be picking up with this 10 off of 70 next purchase CRT. Let me go check out and we'll see how everything applied. I'm back with my receipt and everything worked out fine. You can see all the items I picked up. All the coupons applied very well. The Pantene double dipped and took off $10 and the L'Oreal Elvive coupons double dipped as well. I ended up using $21 extra care box, paid 35 cents out of pocket, and I got back $10 for spending $20 for the Aquaphor, $4 for buying 2 of the L'Oreal, and also $10 for the spend 30 get 10. After receiving my rebate for both of the Downy, this whole transaction ended up being free and $11.15 money maker. And this concludes my haul for this week. Thank you all for watching my video every week and supporting me, and I'll see you all next week. Bye bye.